Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a few settings you should change for your Logitech G502 Hero mouse. Start with Windows mouse settings. Go to Start, search for mouse settings, open them, find additional mouse options, then pointer options, and disable Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply and OK. Open G-Hub, click on your mouse, and find the DPI sensitivity settings. Make sure you're using something between 1600 and 2000 DPI, though that's optional. The point is to lower in-game sensitivity and increase DPI on your mouse. Another thing is to increase the report rate to at least 1000 for smoother movement. You can also assign functions to the keys on your mouse to speed up gameplay. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing, leave a like, and a comment below.